Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The world of compact handheld cameras is about to experience a groundbreaking transformation with the much-anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Recent leaks and rumors indicate that DJI is set to redefine the standards for portable cameras, making it an essential tool for vloggers, travelers, and professional filmmakers alike. Known for its cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, DJI is expected to introduce some of the most significant enhancements in this upcoming model, including an upgraded camera system, an AI-powered suite of features, a more ergonomic design, and extended battery life. In this deep dive, we'll explore everything we know so far about the Osmo Pocket 4, breaking down all its rumored features and potential impact on content creation. Larger and more advanced display. One of the most noticeable changes in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is its new, larger, and more immersive touchscreen display. The previous Osmo Pocket 3 featured a 2-inch screen, but the upcoming model is rumored to feature a 2.5-inch fully rotating touchscreen, offering superior framing options and a more intuitive user experience. Key display upgrades. Resolution. Expected to be 480 by 800 pixels, ensuring sharper visuals and enhanced color accuracy. Brightness. 800 nits for crystal clear visibility even under direct sunlight, making outdoor shooting effortless. Rotating mechanism. Allows for more dynamic angles, making it perfect for vlogging, cinematic shots, and creative storytelling. With these enhancements, users will enjoy a smoother interface, more control over their framing, and an overall improved shooting experience. A bigger and better camera sensor. For many content creators, the camera sensor is the most crucial component. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor, which is a significant leap from the 1/1.7-inch sensor found in its predecessor. This upgrade will provide better low-light performance, superior dynamic range, and higher image quality. Camera specifications. Lens. 20mm f/2.0 lens, ensuring wide, sharp shots with enhanced depth. 10-bit color depth. Allows for richer color representation and more detailed post-processing. HDR recording. Ensures improved contrast and vibrant colors, making footage appear more cinematic. Superior low-light performance. Captures better details in dimly lit environments, making night photography and videography more professional. With this larger sensor, the Osmo Pocket 4 could provide DSLR-like quality in an ultra-portable package, revolutionizing handheld video production. AI and smart features for effortless shooting. DJI has been a leader in incorporating AI-driven technology, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to continue this trend. Some of the rumored AI-powered features include Active Track 7.0, DJI's latest and most advanced subject tracking technology for precise, smooth motion tracking. Hybrid stabilization, a combination of mechanical gimbal stabilization and electronic image stabilization, EIS, to ensure ultra-stable footage, even in fast-moving scenarios. Gesture controls, hands-free operation, allowing users to start/stop recording and switch shooting modes with simple gestures. AI-powered cinematic modes, automated framing and motion settings for Hollywood-level shots without requiring professional expertise. These intelligent features will enable vloggers, travel bloggers, and independent filmmakers to create professional-looking content with minimal effort. Enhanced video capabilities and frame rates. For creators who love slow-motion footage and high-resolution recording, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to deliver significant upgrades in frame rate and resolution. 4K at 240 FPS. Unparalleled slow-motion capabilities at ultra-high resolution. 1080p at 480 FPS. Extreme slow motion for capturing fast action with impeccable clarity. HDR video recording. Captures a broader dynamic range, resulting in deeper shadows and brighter highlights. With these features, users will have the flexibility to experiment with cinematic storytelling, making their content visually stunning and more engaging. Extended battery life. Fast charging and heat management. One major concern with compact cameras is battery life, and DJI seems to be addressing this issue with the Osmo Pocket 4. Battery and charging upgrades. More power-efficient processor. Optimized to extend battery life without compromising performance. Fast charging. Full charge in just 25 minutes. Perfect for content creators on the go. Better heat dissipation. Prevents overheating during extended recording sessions, ensuring consistent performance. These upgrades will be incredibly useful for travel vloggers, adventure filmmakers, and event videographers who need a reliable device with minimal downtime. Expected release date and pricing. While DJI has not officially announced a launch date for the Osmo Pocket 4, leaks suggest a release window of late 2026 or early 2027. Given the number of upgrades, the price is expected to be $699 for the base model, $799 for the Creator Combo, which will likely include extra accessories such as a mini tripod, wireless microphone, and additional lens attachments. These prices align with DJI's premium tier offerings, making the Osmo Pocket 4 a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their portable filmmaking gear. Other upcoming DJI products. DJI Avata 3. Alongside the Osmo Pocket 4, DJI is also rumored to be working on the Avata 3, its next-generation FPV drone. Expected improvements include higher resolution camera with enhanced low-light capabilities, extended battery life for longer flight times, safer flight modes with advanced obstacle avoidance technology. With both the Osmo Pocket 4 and Avata 3, DJI is continuing to push the boundaries of innovation and content creation technology. Final thoughts. Is the Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? From everything we've seen so far, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the most powerful handheld camera ever released. With its larger display, superior sensor, AI-powered smart features, and groundbreaking video capabilities, it could set a new industry standard. If the leaks hold, this could be one of the most significant upgrades in DJI's Osmo Pocket lineup. What do you think? Are you excited about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Do you think it will be the ultimate portable camera for content creators and vloggers? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest tech news, leaks, and reviews. See you in the next video on Techno Trend Zone.